everywhere. Hello. We're starting today with a great performance on the stocks. Opening the trading terminals here. And what we are opening, let me share this. Opening Discord. And here we go. Getting chilly here a little bit. So, opening Discord, sending this stream link, opening this here as well. And it goes there. Let's go and start with the news of the day. Goldman Sachs. I posted this last night on X. Let me move the screen here so you can see. Go back to this. And here. Goldman Sachs profit rises on deal making trading strength. US bond investors. Oh, this is also a big one. TSMC. Record profit and all-time highs. Let's focus on markets, global markets, and go to read the key news from the last 24 hours. Oil plunges after Trump comments on East Iran fears. What can I say? Let me go stand up. What can I say about it? Many people are talking about enough is enough. I will not give my opinion here, but oil is lower. How much lower? Let me take a look. So we go here, 3 time frames. Open. 3 time frames. Sorry. Here. So it's about 5% in a day. Right here. There's the new lows. We have this trend line here. Remember, we drew it yesterday. Let's go back. Oil, US banking giants reap bigger profits as borrowers seek more loans. That was yesterday's news, right? 24 hours. Set oil higher. That was yesterday. 1 hour. Goldman Sachs. That's good. Financials yesterday were taking some pressure. How the new carry trade could quickly unwind. Okay, that's not the market. Moving event. The carry trade itself, yes, but how is not. US inflation stronger than it looks. That's yesterday. Okay. UK economy bounces back in November. And this is what I say. We are in the middle of January. Are we getting data from November? I think we should do better. I truly think we should do better, faster data. Um, that's the news. Let's focus on the daily routine. Today's Thursday 15, January 15. We are about 1 hour for the market to open, so we have jobless claims, retail sales, Philadelphia, manufacturing, Empire State Manufacturing Index, import and export prices. And then in the afternoon, we have the Fed balance sheet at 4:30. So we have a full day today. Very relevant day. I want to see what it says here. Market moving indicator. You see the star here with the market moving indicators, jobless claims, and retail sales. So we can open the trading terminal. What is Ninja Trader? It's here. Set. Here. 1 second while I change it to this one. It's loading. So I have open Ninja Trader Interactive is open. This was yesterday's price action, right? So above VWAP, this is where we trade above VWAP. And the news is released, right? They have live data. Hello, nothing happened. Silver and gold down strong. 8% change in the leverage ETF. Silver down 4%. So quite muted. This is another screen. That was it. Daily routine. Equity prices from around the world. 5 major areas: Japan, UK, China, Eurozone, and the USA. If there is something in common for the last December 15, that's the price, that's the area where we marked December 15, is from that day on, or from that area on, there's a common thing. They're trading higher. It is true, USA is here is about flat, and now only one is the Japanese from this point on. But from the 12th to today, about flat, right? And remember, we got the data as of the close of yesterday. This was the price action yesterday, which was not good, right? Negative breaking 2-3 days back. The positive thing is that it did not close bearish, right? Look, this candle is not that bad. If it was like this, right? If it was like this, it's much worse than closing like this. month to date, 1% as of yesterday's close. Weekly candle not looking very good. Will get improving after the market opens. And the monthly candles, pretty much every single month since Q1 and the beginning of Q2 of last year, everything positive. These are the 2 quarters in a row. And now looking good. No reason to be scared yet to the downside. Here, this is the downside pressure, not even able to reach 1 in the S&P 500, or -1, sorry. And to the bears, I have to say, hey, yeah, we're not having strong days either. So far, let me see, I could do this. This is Windows Shift D. Windows Shift D. Interesting. Advance and decliners. This is the title of the video. So I want to stop here because, yeah, the market is not behaving very strong. The indexes itself are not behaving very strong. But the internals are. New highs versus new lows. Since the beginning of the year, they're having positive days one after the other. This is one of the stronger positive reads in the data we have here, which is 3 months, right? So overall, market strength is there. The market strength is there overall. Let me check if the futures are considering now control. What was it? It was Control Shift D. So Control Shift D. And then the other one is Control Shift Delete. Control Shift D. Let me see the futures. Moving higher. The VIX, right? It had increased. 17 is a higher close than yesterday. I mean, previous days. This is as of yesterday close. But here is no backwardation. Here, 0.7. Right? Weaker than what we had yesterday's. Control Shift D. Control Shift Delete. This is what I was saying. Financials. They need to get their act together, right? If the financials don't push, the S&P 500 is hard for it to push. Equities from around the world and bonds from around the world. Only Mexico doing fine, over 2. UK almost 1.7 or so, 1.6. Argentina down. South Korea, Japan, Mexico, South Africa, Hong Kong, China, Brazil, Greece, and Portugal doing quite well. What do we know? This reversed a little bit. Nikkei and Bitcoin. Oh, let me check Bitcoin, what it did overnight. BTC, 1% down. Remember, we have the boxes here. So we say, hey, this is a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. The stop is right here. Then it went into the one risk box. it went down, but it did not go to the stop. Traded back in. Yesterday went back in into the two. Like this is the risk one. This is the 1-to-1 risk, and this is the 2-to-1 risk. So I'm thinking, hey, activate drawing, duplicate rectangles. Can we make it a 3-to-1 risk? That was not the plan, but given that the overall liquidity in the market is increasing, the market internals are there. Let's see how it behaves. So send me an email, create alert, single alert. If we trade above at or above, and now I'm noticing why they have this BTC at or above that. Make a sound. I want the sound. Send me an email. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. So if we trade above this, create singular, and on this, on BTC, what is the price? Did it change? Maybe that's the issue. Let me try again. So James at or above, create. Oh yeah, so it has to be, that's the issue. BTC. Okay, let's do 100,000. So create an alert. Single alert. BTC 99. Create. So if we trade above 100K, I don't know. I want to know going back to the routine. So Nikkei is strong, Bitcoin is strong, gold about flat, but strong in the last week. Look, so in the last 5 trading days, gold did fine, 4% here. The same thing that Google and Nvidia not doing so well. Let's see what data we have from Nvidia today. Let me connect. Now data is active, and this is good. All green, neutral standing so far. Let's do the review for the ES, and we will take it from here. So 30-minute charts, maximize. We get the push from yesterday, and then the reversal. Let's do 1 hour. Very strong, yeah? But we are back at the 10th closing prices. So what do we have here? What options do we have here? Let me go for the white, for the bulls. That's my first choice. So we have yesterday's close here. Oh, I can do this better. Yesterday's close here. Oh, definitely. I can do this better. Yesterday's high level closing prices here. Previous days high level closing here. Can we be the entire day inside of this? Oh, definitely we can. Can we do this? Right here. And then from there, do that. That's definitely, we can do something like that. Let me take a picture of this. Send it to the Discord. Freaking. Yep. And the other is just keep pushing higher and higher. We can do that, right? A push higher. Let me do the sun before. So we have this. We have this. And we have this. So we can push here. To come back here. Before we go there. if continuation, right? If we get continuation, that would be the picture. That would be the picture if we get continuation. Mhm. We'll wait. We have 45 minutes for market internals opening prints. And I don't have much more to say as of now. 7,000 yes, I guess the NQ is a similar story. Bitcoin is there. NQ a bit stronger. This is 1% up. And